Samsung is planning to launch a Galaxy S21 FE smartphone, and its first renders have just appeared online. We've heard rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE since February, and Samsung has hinted on Galaxy S21 FE to enter mass production in July, which is 2 months away. The actual release date is rumored to come in August. And today, thanks to a Geekbench listing, we now get a few more details about its internals. The new smartphone's benchmark scorecard popped up, listing the top-of-the-line flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset, 6GB RAM and Android 11. It managed to score a hefty 381 score in latest Geekbench single-core and 1917 score in multi-core, which hints that the listed smartphone is going to be a toned-down version of the Galaxy S21 flagship. Apart from this, we've already seen renders of the device, which unsurprisingly follows the Galaxy S21 design language. The S21 FE is expected to bring a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with a centered 32-megapixel punch-hole camera. We've also seen evidence of a 4,500 mAh battery, and the phone is expected to arrive in white, gray, pink and violet colors, though the new tweet also mentions light green and light violet options. It is confirmed that the frame will be metal, however, the back panel will be frosted glass-stick. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE Fan Edition is likely to get a lot of the same features as the Galaxy S21, but with a more affordable price tag. The phone is expected to pack the latest One UI and will be one of the first devices to receive the future One UI 4.0. The Galaxy S21 FE will also be guaranteed 3 major OS updates, which means it will go on to receive Android 14 at some point. Some sources suggest the Galaxy S21 FE will share the stage with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 at a launch in August, although it's far more likely that it gets its own launch with the foldable soaking in all of the limelight. So yeah, the successor to the ever-so-successful Galaxy S20 FE seems to be packing a worthy upgrade, featuring the flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section. Until then, see you guys later.